What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we have a fun one. Today, I take it back, we got a sad one. We're gonna be making a buyer beware type of video. Now, I know a lot of people don't like when there's negative videos on Tacomas, but you gotta understand, you need to understand this is a YouTube channel. So if I just make positive videos and someone buys a Tacoma and no one else kind of cover the topics of these situations, it would really be a bummer. So that's why I make these videos, because had I known what I know now, would this still be here? Yes, probably, but not everybody is a super big Tacoma fanboy. So without further ado, let's talk about some things that weren't so apparent when I first bought this truck. So first things first, the body lines. The body lines on this truck aren't as perfect as they used to be. I used to be a Toyota salesman and I would walk around the person's like Chevy or Ford and be like, huh, you see how this is crooked? You see how that is crooked? Let's go over here to this RAV4 and the body lines would be perfect. Now, if you see here, look how much finger fits in between. That's very inappropriate, truck. I'm so sorry. Okay, anyways, you see that? Now you come over here and not as much fit. Now the hood is a little bit over yonder, not over here, a little yonder. So that's one thing. Now, Aing, that's not a big deal. I know it's not, I really don't care, but some people are meticulous and people have asked me, are my body lines perfect? So I'm bringing it up today. This one does bother me a little bit because I thought I had seen all the imperfections and then I saw this one and it triggered me. So you see over here, it's like rather perfect. It's rather perfectly flush, but over here, there's a little bit of a space right there. You see how like it doesn't line up perfectly with that? It's like, yeah, so it's a little bit not as perfect. Another one, this one's very common. This one doesn't have as much gap as this one. And then last but not least, you guys can see right here, there's like a big gap. I don't know why that's there, but nonetheless, I messed these up. I messed these up myself even more. Now this one on the interior, this one kind of irks me. I've had 4 Tacomas now. This is my 4th Tacoma, and every single one has had something from the dealership that it shouldn't be. So my last Tacoma, whenever I put the window down, it would rattle horribly whenever I would close it. My other Tacoma, the speaker right here, if I played music over volume 5, if you know a Tacoma that's not very loud, this would rattle like horribly. And then in my first SR Tacoma, the headlights wouldn't work every time. It was very weird. Took it to the dealership. They just didn't really even know what to say. Now here, look at this. I really don't know. I'm not acting. I don't know if this is closed right. Let me see. No, it's not. You see how I just pulled? Give me a second. If I run over here, because it is extremely chilly out, okay? Extremely chilly. If I grab this one, no preparation, no cut in the video, I'm yanking for my life. Now, let me just show you. Oh, all right, pop that bad boy open. Just close. That's it. You guys saw what I did. No cuts, no edits. My hand's still here. Hand's still here. Coming all the way around yonder. I'm gonna give it a good shove. So I don't know what's going on. I took everything out of there. I take this out, and it seems like something here isn't lining up in there. It's super greasy, or it used to be at least, but now it doesn't close properly. So whenever I close it, I have to like really, you know, jam it in there. It used to be where I kept all my camera equipment. So now Sandy bought me, hold on, I'll show you. Sandy bought me a bag. So now I can just carry, oh, there's my GoPro. Sandy bought me a bag, so now I can just put all my stuff in there, which is super cool. That's unfortunate. I would really like to use it, but I just feel like over time, if I keep slamming it and slamming it, I feel like it's gonna get loose, and then it's gonna go from barely holding it to not holding it at all. Now that would wrap up my video, right? That would complete the video for today. But I have to talk to you guys about something. I don't know what's going on with my truck. It's bugging out, it's freaking out. I made a video a while ago talking about the pros and cons of this truck for a daily driver. So let me show you guys something. I made a video on how my drive was 2.5 miles to work, right? From home to work, 2.5 miles. I was talking about how bad the miles per gallons were. Let me just show you guys some examples. Literally this morning, I took a picture and I think it was probably one of my worst ones yet. 7.6 miles, 9.7, 8 miles to the gallon. This one shows 9 miles. I got another one for 8 miles. I got another one for 9 miles. I got another one for 8 miles. I got another one for 7.7, 7.7. I mean, it's a joke. I don't understand. I've been doing some testing. I've been trying to figure out what's going on, and I've reached out to subscribers, to commenters, to YouTubers, like, hey, does your Tacoma perform this bad? Like, most people say no. They say I got a lemon. That's not funny because I love this truck. Let me just say, I'm not like destroyed by this. I'm fine. I'm just wondering why. Like, I don't care that it's getting that low gas mileage. Well, I care to the point where like I'm wondering why. Like, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I don't care to the point where I'm like, oh, it's a bad truck, because it's a truck. That's why you get that type of gas mileage. If I drove Sandy's Corolla, it would be a different story. So I've been brainstorming, I've been doing a whole bunch of tests, and this has been like a 2, maybe 3 week test now. Some people were saying I wasn't warming up the truck. Now, 1 or 2 times I didn't when it was still rather warm out. So maybe it was that. So I warmed up the truck 10 minutes before I left. Somebody said maybe that's not enough time. I did 15 minutes before I left, still the same gas mileage. So it's 2.6 miles. It's around a 5-minute drive, 5 to 7 minute drive. It is a lot of stop and go, but I don't get it. I wonder if stop and go is that bad. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to live with it. My truck build is gonna get beefy, okay? And it's gonna get heavy really, really fast. So I only can imagine what's gonna happen then versus now. Some people have suggested like a sprint booster, a pedal commander. I don't know how much that would help. Maybe if I put it in eco mode, maybe, just maybe. With that being said, let me know. Do you guys drive a short distance for your work? If you do, is it this bad, like 8 miles, 7 miles to the gallon? Let me know. I'm very interested. Also, I appreciate every single one of you guys who has subscribed. We're at 3,000 subscribers now. So the giveaway is coming soon. And I'm not sure if this week or next week, because, you know, it's Christmas week. I hope you guys all have a very, very safe and happy holiday. But yeah, I'm about to get home, edit this video, watch some Rob Motive live, and I'll catch you guys next time. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace. Also, Sandy bought me this camera, so shout out to Sandy. I don't know if you guys can even see this bad boy. Hold on. Let me go to her side. Check that out. Canon M6 Mark II with the kit lens. It's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. I love it so far. Let me know, can you guys tell the difference in the quality? I definitely think you can. I mean, you can see everything, so I'm definitely gonna have to, I don't know what I'm gonna have to do, but let me know. Do you like it? I like it. I think it's sick.